Heterotopic ossification formation of lamellar mature bone in the extraskeletal ectopic site characterized into traumatic and neurogenic traumatic burn, fracture, muscular trauma, arthroplasty and joint dislocation, neurogenic spinal cord injury, stroke, traumatic brain injury and tumor. Traumatic myositis ossificans is a type of HO that occurs secondary to chronic muscular trauma, and most common sites are brachialis and quadriceps. In HO zone, so peripheral mature bone to central immature fibrous tissue is characteristic, while in osteosarcoma, central zone consists of mature bone. Hypercellular spindle cell formation occurs at the time of initial injury. After 2 weeks of injury, cartilage and movement bones start to form, while trabecular bones start to form from 2 to 5 weeks, and mature fatty bone marrow and lamellar bone will mature after 6 weeks. HO can take up to 6 months to present, but usually occur 3 to 12 weeks post-injury. DD of HO, DD are deep vein thrombosis, abscess, hematoma, cellulitis, tumor, osteosarcoma, osteochondroma, osteomyelitis, thrombophlebitis, joint infection, fracture, and local trauma. Common DDs in spinal cord injury, if plain X-ray is negative, then most common DD is DVT, abscess, hematoma, cellulitis. To rule out DVT, venous Doppler should be ordered to assess abscess and cellulitis. Inflammatory marker NYWBC may be elevated in HO and other infectious condition, but can be ruled out by elevated ALP. CT or MRI is helpful in deep vein thrombosis, swelling, warmth, and negative venous Doppler. Cellulitis, abscess, meridema, increased CRP, and normal WBC and no fever. In osteosarcoma, ectopic bone on X-ray, Bruker pattern, no soft tissue mass. Fracture, hematoma, trauma history. Fracture or hematoma, no trauma. Rehab goal: prevent ankylosis, restore radial, passive, active assisted and active ROM, dynamic splinting, avoid aggressive manipulation or microtrauma. Indomethacin 25 mg TDS. Indomethacin, an acid which is most used for prophylaxis. Indomethacin, other meloxifan, rofecoxib, celecoxib. Dose of indomethacin recommended for prophylaxis is 75 mg per day for 3 weeks, and 75 mg to 100 mg per day for 7 to 14 days post-operatively.